Welcome back to All Things AI, the channel where we explore the latest advancements in artificial intelligence. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at the hottest topic in AI right now, autonomous AI agents such as Auto-GPT and AgentGPT. They can literally set their own goals, plan tasks, and execute them with minimal human input. Sounds like sci-fi? Well, it's real, and I'm going to show you how it all works. So, what exactly is an autonomous AI agent? Think of ChatGPT, but it doesn't just wait for your next question. These agents can remember what they've done, break down tasks into smaller subtasks, and continually prompt themselves to solve problems. This is an extension of large language models like GPT-4, but with an added layer of autonomy, like a personal assistant that can plan and execute complex workflows by itself. Let's dig into this a bit deeper. In the simplest terms, an AI agent is something that can sense its environment through data inputs, decide on an action based on a set of rules or a learned model, and then execute that action in the environment, which can be a digital environment like the internet, or a physical environment if connected to robotics or other machinery. Autonomy implies that the agent can operate with minimal human intervention. It decides on the best course of action to achieve a goal, rather than waiting for the user to prompt it every step of the way. For example, GPT-4 can generate text and reason about human language prompts. They can browse the web to collect data, send emails, or even interact with APIs to perform tasks, like booking a calendar event. The agent's action environment can be as simple as text output, or as sophisticated as controlling robotic hardware. The agent leverages the model's capabilities to interpret instructions, generate new ideas, summarize data, etc. Autonomous agents blew up online because they promise to handle multi-step tasks with ease. Imagine saying, "Plan my marketing campaign," and the AI not only brainstorming ideas, but also writing copy, scheduling posts, and analyzing results. Developers have taken GPT-4's capabilities and made them more dynamic and more independent. This not only fascinates tech enthusiasts, but also intrigues everyday users who want to automate repetitive tasks. There are different types of autonomous AI agents. Let's take a look at some of them. Auto-GPT. Auto-GPT can take a high-level goal you provide, such as build a marketing plan for my new product, and then break that goal down into smaller, more manageable tasks. It works through these tasks iteratively, generating prompts for itself and executing actions, like web searches or file creation, to reach the end objective. When you assign a goal, for example, research the top AI conferences this year, Auto-GPT plans how to accomplish it, breaking it down into steps like searching for conference lists, extracting key dates, and summarizing the findings. While it's still experimental and has its share of limitations, it marks a major step toward AI systems that can take on bigger, more complex projects without constant user guidance. Let's talk about another type of autonomous AI agents called LangChain agents. LangChain agents are a feature within the LangChain library, like a Python library that enable large language models, LLMs, to act in a more autonomous, agent-like manner, instead of passively returning text outputs from a single query. In the LangChain ecosystem, an agent is a system that uses an LLM, or multiple LLMs, to interpret high-level instructions, select from a suite of tools, and sequence actions on those tools until it completes its assigned task. Agents add a layer of autonomy on top of LLM outputs. Instead of returning text based on a single prompt, an agent can reason about how to solve a problem, call different tools in a loop, and refine its approach based on the outputs it receives. A quick example of a LangChain agent is when you say, "Hey agent, find the average salary of a data scientist in 2023, convert it to euros, and summarize your findings." To achieve the above, a LangChain agent might break down the problem into various steps to achieve the end goal. It may do it in the following steps. 1. Use a web search tool to gather salary data. 2. Parse the results and store them in memory. 3. Use a calculator tool or a currency converter tool to convert the salary to euros. 4. Summarize findings in a user-friendly format. LangChain agents are a powerful extension of large language models, enabling them to behave more like digital coworkers rather than simple chatbots. Through a framework of tools, memory, and iterative reasoning, an agent can tackle sophisticated tasks, like researching a topic, crunching numbers, and then writing a coherent report, all in one orchestrated flow. This opens the door for a new wave of intelligent applications that can automate complex workflows with minimal human intervention, though it also brings new challenges around reliability, cost, and security. Another type of autonomous AI agent is AgentGPT. AgentGPT is a web-based tool that lets you create and manage autonomous AI agents directly from your browser. Much like Auto-GPT, it uses large language models and adds a framework for planning, self-prompting, and execution of tasks without constant human intervention. However, unlike Auto-GPT, which typically requires a local Python environment setup, AgentGPT is more user-friendly since it runs online and offers a graphical interface. Like Auto-GPT, AgentGPT will self-prompt and iterate through tasks, forming new queries to the language model until it completes or satisfies your provided goal. Depending on the design, you can allow or disallow AgentGPT to execute actions like visiting websites, reading or writing files, if supported, or interacting with external APIs. This helps maintain control over what the agent can do. A different way of categorizing various autonomous AI agents is based on their purpose, capabilities, environment, and the types of tasks they are designed to perform. One of them is task-oriented agents. These agents focus on accomplishing specific, well-defined tasks. Let's talk about some common examples of task-oriented agents. One of them is customer support agents. These can automatically handle FAQs, resolve common issues, and escalate complex problems to human agents. Another example of task-oriented agent is data entry or cleanup agents. These can automatically process forms, clean up data sets, or migrate data between platforms. The last example of task-oriented agent is a workflow automation agent, which can handle multi-step business processes like email triage, scheduling, and generating reports. A different category of agents are research and information retrieval agents. These are designed to gather, summarize, and analyze information. Common examples are web scraping agents that collect information from websites to compile data or reports, knowledge assistants that provide detailed answers by searching across multiple sources, summarizing them, and cross-referencing facts, and academic research agents that can summarize papers, extract citations, and organize literature reviews for researchers. There are other categories of agents like creative or content-generating agents, problem-solving and analytical agents, autonomous learning agents, personal assistant agents, industrial and physical environment agents, and then there are multi-agent systems that combine a network of autonomous agents to achieve a complex goals that can be solved with different categories of agents. Autonomous AI agents are evolving rapidly, propelled by innovations including improved memory and context handling. They can use chain of thought and self-reflective reasoning that can yield more coherent reasoning, and ability to look back at their own reasoning and correct themselves. There are multimodal systems that can interpret alongside text, enabling agents to handle tasks like document parsing, visual inspection, or image-based Q&A. There is an active work creating Agent OS, which are operating systems like environments tailored for AI agents. While there are tons of benefits of the autonomous AI agents, there is also a need to create safety, alignment, and policy enforcement. This is to ensure there are no unintended consequences and they do not produce harmful content or inadvertently commit policy violations. New techniques like reinforcement learning from human feedback or constitutional AI help refine agent behavior and reduce problematic outputs. AI agents are still experimental. There is need to make sure they are safe and accurate. They can hallucinate information, meaning they might generate made-up facts. They also lack real human judgment, so they might recommend steps that are biased, unethical, or even illegal if you're not careful. There is a need to always verify the output and ensure that there are guardrails in place. Care must be taken to keep privacy in mind, as data fed into these agents could potentially be stored or logged. This is ensuring that exclusion of any sensitive information. There are concerns about biases and privacy. Data engineers often remove or reduce hateful, explicit, and overtly biased content from the training corpus. Well-designed agents only store the minimal data required to complete a task. The concept of autonomous AI is just getting started. Soon we might see agents that can manage full-scale business processes, handle complex project management tasks, or even act as specialized experts in different fields. We're moving toward a future where AI can do more than just respond. It can proactively plan and optimize workflows. That said, it's crucial for developers, businesses, and policymakers to focus on building these systems responsibly. I hope this video explained concepts of autonomous AI. What are your concerns regarding AI? Put your questions and comments below. Let me know, what do you think about this video?